Your ideal student accommodation awaits at North Beach Chinatown in San Francisco. Choose your opulent ensuite, designed with your comfort in mind. If you're feeling tired after a long day, just reset in the comfort of your space. Turn on the heater when it's cold outside and roll into the cozy bedding to sleep like a baby. Regular cleaning services ensure that you come back to a spotless room. From basics like water and electricity to extras like gas and high-speed Wi-Fi, your rent covers it all. Catch a break in the nearby restaurants or go clubbing with your college buddies because this stay puts you in the center of all the action. This unbeatable location places you just moments from the Hult International Business School and San Francisco Art Institute, so your commute to campus is always short and sweet. With Montgomery Street Station close by and the buses at Broadway and Grant Avenue, you can dine, shop, or catch entertainment wherever your heart desires. Come, grab your spot at North Beach Chinatown Hotel via amberstudent.com.